Finding the right product is the foundation of any successful Amazon FBA business, but knowing where to start can feel overwhelming. That's where Helium 10's Blackbox tool comes in. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Blackbox to uncover profitable products for your Amazon FBA store, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to streamline your product research and start setting up your store for success. In order to follow along with this tutorial, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description to get started with Helium 10. But without further ado, let's talk about this tool. Helium 10's Blackbox tool is a powerful resource for anyone starting an Amazon FBA business. It's designed to simplify the process of product research, helping you find profitable opportunities in a crowded marketplace. The tool allows you to input specific filters such as price range, monthly sales, or product categories to narrow down your search. This saves hours of manual research and ensures you're focusing on products that have real potential for success. For beginners, it's an essential step to get ahead in the competitive Amazon ecosystem. One of the most useful features of Blackbox is the ability to filter by keyword. This is especially helpful for finding products within a specific niche. For example, if you're interested in the kitchenware category, you can input relevant keywords and let Blackbox generate a list of potential products. The tool analyzes Amazon's massive database to deliver results based on your criteria. This targeted approach ensures that you're not wasting time on irrelevant products or oversaturated markets. Another essential feature is the revenue filter, which allows you to focus on products generating a certain level of monthly income. For beginners, a good starting point might be products with revenue between $5,000 and $20,000 per month. This range often indicates a healthy balance of demand and competition. Blackbox also lets you view historical sales data, which can help you gauge whether a product's performance is consistent over time. This minimizes the risk of investing in trendy but short-lived opportunities. The competition filter is another game changer for new Amazon sellers. By limiting results to products with a lower number of reviews, you can target markets where it's easier to stand out. For example, a product with fewer than 50 reviews but high monthly sales might indicate an untapped opportunity. Blackbox makes it easy to identify these gaps in the market, giving you a strategic advantage when launching your storefront. Blackbox also gives you the ability to filter by product size and weight. These factors are crucial for determining shipping costs, which can significantly impact your profit margins. For beginners, it's often best to focus on lightweight and small products to minimize storage and shipping fees. Blackbox makes it simple to exclude oversized or heavy items from your search, streamlining the selection process. Once you've generated a list of potential products, Blackbox provides detailed insights for each one. This includes information like price trends, average ratings, and sales velocity. These metrics give you a comprehensive view of a product's performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Beginners will appreciate how straightforward the tool makes it to evaluate multiple options before committing to one product. An important aspect of Blackbox is understanding seasonal trends. Helium 10 includes historical data that shows how a product performs throughout the year. For instance, items like holiday decorations may see spikes in demand during specific months. By leveraging this data, you can prepare your inventory and marketing strategy accordingly. This proactive approach helps you capitalize on peak seasons while avoiding slowdown periods. Another powerful feature is the ability to analyze niche markets. Blackbox allows you to drill down into subcategories to find overlooked opportunities. For example, instead of targeting the general fitness category, you might focus on specialized equipment like yoga accessories or resistance bands. This level of detail ensures that you're finding products with high potential for profitability and differentiation. Blackbox doesn't just stop at product research. It integrates seamlessly with other Helium 10 tools for a complete Amazon FBA strategy. For example, once you find a product that you think you can use the X-ray tool to validate its demand and competition directly on Amazon. This layered approach ensures that you're making well-informed decisions at every step of the process. Beginners will find that this integration simplifies what could otherwise be a complex process. For those new to Amazon FBA, Blackbox also includes a helpful learning curve. The interface is user-friendly and with clear instructions and tutorials available within the platform. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the tool guides you through the research process step by step. This accessibility makes it a great choice for anyone just starting their e-commerce journey. One of the best tips for beginners is to start small and scale up as you gain experience. Blackbox makes it easy to test multiple products without overextending your resources. By focusing on low-cost, high-demand items, you can build a profitable inventory without significant upfront investment. As you grow, you can expand your product range and leverage more advanced features within Helium 10. While Blackbox is an incredible tool, it's essential to complement it with your own market research. Make sure to pay attention to customer reviews and feedback on Amazon to identify pain points or unmet needs in your chosen niche. Combining these insights with Blackbox data will give you a competitive edge. Remember, the goal is not just to find profitable products, but to offer real value to your customers. Now that we've talked about Blackbox and how it works, let's actually show you the process of getting signed up with Helium 10 and how to get access to Blackbox for the cheapest price possible. The first thing you want to do is head down to the link down in the description for this video. When you click the link for Helium 10 down in the description, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you can get started with Helium 10 with either 20% off for 6 months when you use the code EcomMastery20 or 10% off every month when you use code EcomMastery10. Make sure to enter these codes at checkout. You can simply copy and paste them by clicking on these, and it will automatically take you to the checkout page where you can enter in all of the necessary personal information to get started with Helium 10. Now, once you guys get started with them and officially sign up, this is the first page you should see. This is Helium 10's dashboard. One of the first things you want to go about doing before you start using their tools is connecting some of the essential tools. The first of this is actually getting started with connecting your Amazon account, more specifically your Amazon seller account. Make sure to connect this inside of Helium 10 so that way you don't miss out on any of the data that you want to scrape from your existing product listings. Now, as you can see, if we want to get access to Blackbox, we're going to go to the very top here and click on the tools button. Once we click on the tools button, you'll see right here that either in the favorites category or the product research spot, we can click on the Blackbox tool. Now, this Amazon research product tool is really easy to use. You can either follow me along in this video or watch the tutorial that they have on their page, which is by clicking this blue button right here. As you can see though, we can have a few different questions that we have to answer, and then they will start finding products for us. The first of these is, what category do we want to use? For the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and say I want to look for an automotive based product. I'll then say that it needs improvement and some improvement. I'll then say that there is competition. I'll say I'm okay with medium competition. For the next one, I'll say I want to sell my product from $30 to $100 with a monthly revenue of around, let's say, $1,000 to $10,000. I'll then hit the search button, and just like that, Blackbox has now found me hundreds of different potential products that I could start selling literally right now. The best part about these products is that they are specifically tailored to the exact search requirements that I put in the first place. I can look for things that need improvement or are being underserved right now and potentially make more sales in those categories because other people just aren't doing enough for them. As you can see, there's a few touch-up paint options here. There's also some spoiler modifications, as well as some other interesting car modifications that we could start selling with either better marketing, better keywords, or a better product listing. As you can see, they even have a parent level sales here, their ASIN sales, and even the parent level revenue. We can scroll down here and see some of these are decently successful while others not so much. As you can see, this mass airflow sensor has done very, very well with over 98 ASIN sales and a parent level of about $3,600. I can choose this and particularly target this to try and make more improvements on either its marketing, potentially running PPC ads, or just trying to get people to either purchase this in a different type of way than it's currently being marketed as. Also, like I mentioned earlier, you definitely should pair this with other Helium 10 tools. Most of these tools work together best when you're actually working with another tool in their tool list. You can do things like use Blackbox for Amazon research. You can reverse product lookup things that are already successful with something like Cerebro, and you can even do a listing analyzer for already existing Amazon listings. But just like that, that's all you really have to do. If I want to go any further with these, I can click on either some of the specific metrics that they have here, or even copy the exact ASIN number and go directly to the Amazon listing. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions about how to use this tool or how you can use it inside of your own Amazon FBA business, make sure to comment them down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember that any of the links down in the description could monetarily benefit us, so thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.